Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Dene Dry Fish, discovering the cultural heritage and preparation of this Alaskan indigenous food. The Dene people of Alaska have a rich tradition of food preparation that reflects their deep connection to the land and the sea. For generations, drying fish has been more than just a method of preservation. It's a vital part of their culture and survival in a challenging environment. Using fish like salmon and whitefish, Dene Dry Fish carries significant historical and practical importance. Dried and sometimes smoked, this protein-rich snack has sustained communities and families for centuries. In this video, we'll uncover the techniques behind this time-honored practice and explore how it continues to play a role in their lives today. Discover the flavors, methods, and cultural significance of Dene Dry Fish, and learn why this traditional food remains a treasured part of their culinary heritage. The Dene people and their heritage. The Dene people of Alaska have lived in harmony with the land and waters for thousands of years. With their roots deeply embedded in the region, fishing has shaped their culture and identity. Understanding the significance of fishing in their lives reveals the essential role it has played not just for sustenance, but as a cornerstone of their community and traditions. Cultural importance of fishing. Fishing has always been central to the Dene way of life. For them, it's more than just a means to gather food, it's woven into their identity. Historically, the Dene people have relied on fish as a primary food source, particularly salmon and whitefish. These species are not simply recreational targets, rather, they are integral to their survival. The Dene possess intricate ecological knowledge passed down through generations. They know the best fishing spots, the right seasons, and how to read the water. This understanding reflects a deep respect for nature and its rhythms. For example, they observe changes in water levels and weather patterns to predict fish movement. This wisdom showcases their ability to adapt and thrive in a demanding climate. Fishing is also a communal activity. Families and friends come together for fishing trips, reinforcing social ties. The stories told around the fire during these gatherings strengthen cultural bonds. This communal spirit is vital, creating a sense of belonging and continuity that transcends generations. Traditional values and practices. At the heart of Dene food practices lies a strong set of values centered on community, sharing, and sustainability. The act of fishing is infused with respect for nature and gratitude for the resources it provides. Dene traditions emphasize the importance of only taking what is needed, ensuring that this essential resource remains available for future generations. Sharing the catch is a practice deeply rooted in their culture. When one family brings home a plentiful haul, it is customary to share with others. This sharing fosters community spirit and prosperity, connecting individuals in a network of mutual support. Sustainability is also a guiding principle. Dene practices are in tune with the ecosystem, ensuring that fishing activities do not deplete fish populations. They employ traditional methods that are gentle on the environment, unlike many modern techniques that may cause harm. By respecting the land and water, the Dene people preserve their cultural heritage while ensuring the health of their environment. Through their fishing traditions, the Dene people not only sustain themselves but also honor their ancestors and pass on valuable lessons to the next generations. These practices continue to enrich their community today, linking the past with the present in a meaningful way. Dene Dry Fish Preparation Techniques. Dene Dry Fish preparation combines tradition and practicality, ensuring that the fish not only has a long shelf life but also retains its flavor and nutritional value. Let's dive into the key methods involved in catching, cleaning, and drying the fish, and see how these time-honored techniques have evolved. Catching and cleaning the fish. To catch fish, the Dene people use methods that reflect their deep understanding of nature. Fishing is often done using traditional techniques such as net fishing. The Dene employ nets made from natural fibers or modern materials to catch fish in rivers and lakes. They are skilled at knowing when and where to set their nets based on the seasonal migrations of the fish. Spearfishing. This ancient method involves using a spear to catch fish. It requires patience and skill, as the fisherman must wait for the right moment to strike. Fishing lines, simple lines with hooks, are also used. These can be baited and placed in strategic spots, allowing for a more hands-off approach while waiting for a catch. Once the fish are caught, the cleaning process begins. Cleaning is done with care. The fish are typically scaled and gutted to prepare them for drying. This step is crucial because it prevents the fish from spoiling and ensures a better storage experience. The fish are rinsed thoroughly in clean water to remove any remaining blood and debris. That wraps up part 1. We've explored the cultural significance and the history behind Dene Dry Fish. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll walk you through the traditional preparation methods and tips for making it yourself. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.